Electronic market is around 9.5% of the total electronic industry and even is expected to grow at a CAGR of 5.91% by 2030. Being a big industry and looking at continuous growth the industry is experiencing, how is Kenstar positioned in this industry and what are your strategies to kind of define the consumer electronics industry in India?
So as what we believe and the data published, the consumer electronic and home appliances industry in India is currently at $10.3 billion US, as per the data estimate of the financial year 2021, and which we believe that it will grow year by year CAGR of 15%. What you may speak is for the entire electronic industry, that includes the defense electronic or other electronics. But we particularly talk about home appliances and consumer electronic business, TV, fridge, washing machine, air conditioners, and then the kitchen appliances product, the air coolers, the fan, etc. So this industry will grow by 15% year on year. And with that speed, by 24-25, the industry should move to almost 150,000 crores in Indian rupee, which may be somewhere about $21 billion. And Kenstar is positioned itself in such a way that apart from the bigger appliances, which we are not targeting in next 2 years, the segment under which we are operating, maybe it is kitchen appliances segment, water heater segment, or the air cooler segment, and fan, which we recently introduced in the company. Till last year, we were operating in the 9,000 crore industry only. But with the introduction of fan and introduction of some new categories like heating appliance this year, now we are already into 21,000 crore industry. And within next 2 years, we are adding another categories like gas cooktops and the chimney, hobs, etc., which is another 7,000 crore. So total 28,000 crore industry under which we will be operating by next year. Kenstar is positioned itself to maintain a good amount of market share. And as far as growth percentage is concerned, percentage are just numbers. And Kenstar has huge market base, and within that, I am sure that Kenstar will be among the top 5 leaders of the industry overall. However, as far as air cooler, which is our major product till now, we are already into the leadership position, which we will continue to maintain.
Kenstar is into many things when it comes to consumer appliances and kitchen appliances. So, what is the USP of Kenstar? Because there have been several brands which have stayed yours for long and strong in these areas of your focus. What is the USP of the company?
So basically, Kenstar USP, we say that we are a mass premium brand, and our positioning is completely a mass premium positioning. We have very, very strong distributor and retailer network with Kenstar. Technologically advanced product time to time bringing in market is one of our USP. And this year you must have witnessed that we have brought the smart IoT enabled air coolers and water heaters. Soon we are introducing the smart fan also in the market. And apart from that, we have ability to bring the faster product. Our product development cycle is faster than the industry average. So these are some 4-5 very important USB, which keeps us differentiating from our competition. And the IoT enabled product has been appreciated by market very well. And apart from that, for any consumer durable brand, I think product quality is very, very important aspect where we are focusing very high. And consumer after sale service is also one very important aspect where Kenstar has done a lot, and we wish to be a best after sale service provider in the industry.
Yes, I can see that happening around. So, I wish you all the best for that, and obviously, when you're pouring into the new segment, I wish to see more products from Kenstar coming out definitely, but then when you are predicting so much of growth for your organization, you have so much of strategies and plan. The pandemic has actually slowed down the purchase of non-essential items to a very low level. People are still not going to spend more on products. So, what is the strategy that you have in mind, and how you are going to cope up with this challenge in 2021?
So, frankly speaking, other than the 4 months of the pandemic, which was the start of the pandemic, March to June, which was actually the lockdown situation across country. Other than these 4 months, or especially the quarter April to June, I don't see any impact of COVID-19 on our kind of products. Any impact. Rather, I would say that the demand was increased from July till Diwali. It may be because of the reason that we are into products which are in the range of maybe 1500 to 5000, 6000 rupees for a consumer, and which are essential item as far as consumer is concerned. For example, a water heater, if a consumer need, he will not wait for anything, and whenever he need, he will bring the water heater. Or similarly, the industry, small appliances, kitchen appliances, if because lot of new chefs has been developed during the lockdown period. So even I tried many things in my kitchen. That way the demand of mixer grinders, the microwave ovens, the OTGs has increased a lot. So I don't see any impact of COVID other than those 4 months. And we have very good demand. And frankly speaking, we were unable to supply the demand during Diwali period. And even our competition faced the similar situation. So COVID-19 impact as far as our industry is concerned was negligible, except those 5 months.
So, how are you planning the future of Kenstar? You have already spoken about the few segments and products that you're going to launch, like I can say 2021. What are the other strategies and the future roadmap that you have to create for the company?
So with the expanded range and expanded reach, we are targeting both reach and range. And as far as range is concerned, year on year, we are introducing the new categories. Like this year, we introduced fan and the heating appliance. Next year, we are introducing the gas cooktops and the hobs. So one, we are adding the new categories. Second, we are increasing the range within the category itself. For example, appliances, earlier we had hardly 70 SKUs within our appliances range. And within last year, we developed almost 125 new SKUs. So we are increasing the categories, we are increasing the range. At the same time, we are also increasing the reach. When we say reach, it is basically Kenstar traditionally was available on electronic and appliances counters only. But with the introduction of fan, with the introduction of water heaters and iron, and even now coolers are also getting sold through electrical counters. Kenstar is now increasing reach on the electrical counter base. Electronic counter in this country is hardly 70,000 to 80,000 counters, whereas electrical counters are in lakhs. Almost 5 lakh electrical counters are present. So now Kenstar is increasing its range and reach, and by that way we are also increasing our reach. So when we are present on multiple counters, Kenstar last year was present on 20,000 counters. This year we are targeting almost doubling the counters, so 40,000 counters. So with expanded range, reach, and also with our focus on quality and after sales service, and with our consumer centric approach, we are confident of achieving our objective. And our objective is clearly, we have next year target is mission 1000, that is 1000 crore turnover by financial year 21-22. So our company from 300 crores to 1000 crores is reaching in just 2.5 years. So I think our vision is very clear, and with that vision, we have defined our mission, and we are confident of achieving our mission statement. Thank you very much. Thank you.